here we have homework number 7, question number 5. And what this is saying is y to the fourth order plus 5y to the second order minus 36y is equal to 0. Now keep in mind that because these are in parentheses, it's not saying to the fourth power, it's saying to the fourth order. And this isn't squared, this is the second order. So keep that in mind when you're solving this equation. So we're going to use the M&M methods for this, and we're going to set it into our characteristic equation. And in doing that, that'll give us m to the fourth plus 5m squared minus 36 is equal to 0. We solve for m, and to do that, we're going to separate it out. So that gives us m squared plus 9, m squared minus 4 is equal to 0. And therefore, our m is going to be equal to plus or minus 3i. It's an imaginary number because you're subtracting this over and then square rooting a negative. So therefore, it is an imaginary number. 2 and negative 2. So for this, our values this has actually two values going on in here. It has an alpha value, which is going to be 0 because it's not existent, and a beta value, which is going to be 3. Now that's going to be important for the fundamental solution, which our fundamental solution is going to be equal to cosine 3x and sine 3x, as well as e to the 2x and e to the negative 2x. And you can always double check if you have the right number of solutions by counting them out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and it matches the highest order. Therefore, you know you have the right number. It's not necessarily mean these are correct. It's just saying that you have the right number of solutions. Just a neat trick. And therefore, our general solution is going to equal to y is equal to c1 cosine 3x plus c2 sine 3x plus c3 e to the 2x plus c4 e to the negative 2x. And where our c1, c2, c3, and c4 are all arbitrary constants. And that is your solution.